Introduce features highlight for Tucok 011 RTS drone with 4K camera for adults. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Features highlight or overview summary are include 3 km FPV relay transmission. The relay FPV transmission technology brings higher image clarity and better stability, avoiding signal loss, achieves max 3 km FPV transmission range. LCD controller provides high brightness display, let you have the full control of fly condition. 360 degrees intelligent obstacle avoidance. 011 RTS drone is equipped with a laser obstacle avoidance camera. The obstacle avoidance detection distance is 65 feet, around 20 meters. The remote control will trigger an alert and the drone may not be able to move forward. Need to be in an open outdoor environment and only for low-speed flight. Make the first flight of beginners safer. 4K UHD camera with gimbal and EIS, equipped with 4K camera and Sony 175 sensor, offering ultra-high definition footage and greater freedom in image layout. Pictures are taken in 4K. Videos are recorded at 2K at 25 FPS. 3-axis gimbal plus EIS system help to create pro-level videos that is consistently stable, clear, and smooth. 56 minutes flight time and brushless motor, includes 2 intelligent flight batteries, support up to total 56 minutes fly, 28 minutes each. High-quality brushless motors provide powerful but low-noise flight when it is working. 011 RTS drone can resist level 5 winds, make your flight more stable and safe. Easy and fun fly, assisted with GPS system. 011 RTS will auto-return home when it lost the radio signal, low battery power, or 1Q return to home, RTH, giving you a worry-free and safety flying experience. Features with Follow Me, free your hands to take complex shots. Waypoint flight, let the drone automatically fly with a customized route. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.